Good morning. The summer sun poured its golden rays onto the vibrant landscape of my garden, casting dappled shadows on the ground beneath the hive. My fascination with bees had grown to an obsession, driven by a quest to understand the roles and responsibilities within their complex society. It was clear to me that something profound lay hidden within their seemingly chaotic activities, and I was determined to uncover it. Each day I meticulously observed the bees as they navigated their hive. The hive itself was a marvel of natural architecture, its hexagonal cells a testament to nature's efficiency. Inside this bustling microcosm, I scrutinized every movement, noting the differences between the bees. It became apparent that the worker bees, with their relentless energy, were engaged in a flurry of activity, transporting nectar and pollen with remarkable precision. Their tireless work was crucial to the hive's productivity, and it was their dedication that first drew my attention. In contrast, the male bees, noticeably larger and less active, seemed to play a passive role. Initially, I had assumed they were merely idle observers, but something in their behavior caught my curiosity. Unlike the worker bees, they did not partake in the nectar-gathering process or contribute to honey production. Their primary function appeared to be related to reproduction, yet their inactivity within the hive puzzled me. To address this puzzle, I employed a systematic approach. I divided my observations into distinct phases, focusing on different aspects of the bees' lives. I spent hours each day documenting the behaviors of the worker bees, including their patterns of movement, the frequency of their trips outside the hive, and their interactions with the queen. My notes revealed a clear pattern. The worker bees were responsible for collecting nectar and pollen, which they transported back to the hive with an almost choreographed precision. Equally important was my study of the male bees. I noted their interactions with the queen and their occasional presence in the hive. They appeared to have little involvement in the daily operations of honey production. This led me to hypothesize that their role was distinct from that of the workers, perhaps focused on reproduction rather than labor. To validate my hypothesis, I conducted further observations. I observed the reproductive activities of the queen and the male bees during specific periods, noting how they engaged in mating rituals. This empirical evidence supported my belief that the male bees had a role tied to reproduction, while the worker bees managed the hive's daily operations, including nectar collection and honey production. Through these meticulous observations and the synthesis of my findings, I was able to draw a comprehensive conclusion. The division of labor within the bee colony was a sophisticated system, with clear roles assigned to different types of bees. The female worker bees, through their relentless efforts, ensured the hive's productivity, while the male bees focused on reproductive duties. This solution not only resolved the puzzle of the bees' roles, but also provided a broader insight into the nature of social organization. The hive's efficient division of labor mirrored the principles of specialization and efficiency observed in human societies. It underscored the importance of understanding and appreciating each role within a system, as well as the value of systematic observation and empirical evidence in uncovering natural truths. The resolution of this problem reinforced my belief in the power of methodical inquiry and observation. It served as a testament to the value of perseverance and systematic investigation in uncovering the intricacies of the natural world. Today, when focusing on a complex problem, break it down into understandable parts. Have a clear day.